My experience so far has actually been really amazing. The teachers are incredibly supportive. In the short amount of time that I've been here so far, I've learned so many new things, especially like the new programs, and yeah, it's been really fun.
My experience has been great so far, studying at dBs. It's been a great place. I love meeting new people here. I love because they share the same passion as me, and really helps me focus on my skills and improve them and get ready for the industry.
My favourite module so far, I would say, is concept art, because I really like drawing traditionally and digital drawing.
So far, my favorite module has been the environment art. Yeah, it has been really fun because I got to do loads of research on Wild West, which was really fun for me.
Before I came here, I did a lot of character art and portrait art in loads of different styles, so I just really enjoy concept art because I get to draw a lot.
Most useful has been definitely communication, because we always had to do weekly checkups with the teacher, and we had to present our work, like show what we did. And also another one was using loads of different software, which is really good for the industry, because when we're going to get a job, maybe after this course, we will have to know how to use all the different softwares.
So far, the most useful thing I've learned, I think, is about time management. I am already a much more organised person than I was half a year ago. Yeah, because I've never had to work on such a strict time restraint before, and I think it's really helped me.
We're doing like each step from the pipeline, which is really helpful for the industry. Like we learn how to texture, model, devlogs, which will help us in the industry for sure.
Yeah, the degree is actually helping me a lot to prepare for being in the industry later, where for every assignment we have to go through the normal workflow like in the industry, and I think it's already teaching us how it's going to be in the future if we have a job, like going from the initial concept to the final product and how to present it, and I think that's really useful.
Yeah, I would recommend the game art course because it prepares you for the industry. It gives you a great idea of what the industry is like and what you should expect from a job in the industry.
Yeah, I would absolutely recommend the course to other people if they're interested in games, and even if they're not interested in games, and if they really just enjoy art and concept art and 3D modelling. Yeah, you don't need to be interested in games to do this degree. Like when you finish the degree, you can also just go into the filmmaking industry for special effects, and you can go into architecture. Like, this is a really great course to just learn the basic skills for anything that you want to do when you're creative.